What are 3 things that you should be doing as soon as you find a winning product? That's coming right up, guys. Stay tuned. What's happening, people? My name is Sean, and if you want to learn how to build a successful e-commerce business, make sure you subscribe below and hit the notification bell so you have updates for my new videos. Alright, so today we're going to be talking about the 3 things that you should be doing as soon as you find a winning product. Now, a lot of people, as soon as they find a winning product, what I see them doing is, okay, I found one winning product, I'm gonna find 10 more, right? They start testing 10 more products. To me, that is the wrong thing to do. When you find a winning product, there's 3 things that I always do, okay, when I find something that's already working. The first thing that I do, I add a backend with post-purchase upsells and cross-sells, right? So let's say, let's take my supplements for example. I always use it as an example because it's pretty easy to imagine because it's already what I'm doing. But let's say I'm selling my brain health supplement in 1, 3, or 6 bottle options, right? After I sell the first offer, which is the 1, 3, or 6 bottle option, I'm always offering them 6 more bottles. Now, if you're selling e-commerce products, the first upsell that you should always have is more of the same product. It doesn't need to be 6. You can offer like 1 more or 3 more if you want, or give them like 2 options, maybe 3 more or 1 more that they can pick from. But that is the first thing that you need to be doing, is adding a back end of post-purchase upsells and cross-sells for your winning product. That is the #1 thing you should be doing, because that's going to instantly double your AOV, your average cart values. It's going to instantly double your profits, right? So add that in as soon as you find a winning product. Find things on Amazon.com. If you're in doubt, just sell more of the same thing first, right? Then you can look at related products. #2 is once you find a winning product to a winning audience, right? A winning targeting audience or whatever you're using, find more audiences that will take your product, right? Let's say that you're selling baby products or something like that, right? And you're targeting moms, right? Maybe you can target dads. Maybe you can target like grandmas or something like that, right? Find out more audiences that are used to buying whatever product it is you're selling or whatever niche you're in, and target more people to the same product. Just put a little different spin on maybe the copy if it's a totally different audience, your ad copy, and just target a different audience, right? So that's what you want to do to expand, is because you don't have to change much about your product. You have the same product, you're just reaching out to different people and trying to convince them to come into your company and buy your product. And what does that do? It builds off of #1, which is your post-purchase upsells, right? They're gonna be buying more on the back end because you're gonna have your post-purchase upsells set up, right? And again, you can use CartHook for that, you can use ClickFunnels, you can use one-click upsell. Those are a few apps that you can use. They're not the cheapest, but you need to have that in there as soon as you have a winning product, because that's gonna instantly double, maybe even triple your average order value and your profits, okay? It did for me, it doubled my profits. And #3 is, we've already talked about this, but add in some complementary products to your backend, right? Once you already have your first post-purchase upsell of more of the same, try to find complementary products. Like maybe you're selling, like for me, I'm selling my brain supplement. I also sell like krill oil on the backend, because krill oil helps with brain and your heart, right? So I'm saying, hey, do you want some essential omega-3s in your life, like daily? Here is our krill oil supplement, and I add that into my funnel as well. So that is the 3rd thing, add in cross-sells. So again, 3 things. #1, post-purchase upsells, try to sell them more of the same, and just add that as soon as you have a winning product. As soon as you have a winning product, add that in there using CartHook, one-click upsell, or ClickFunnels, okay? #2, target new audiences. If you're targeting like big city moms or something, then target like grandmas, target dads, right? So if you have a winning product, again, do these 3 things and you're gonna see some massive success, because you're gonna see you already have something that's working, right? Why to try to test 10 other products when you already have something working? Just add to what's already working. Don't spend time starting from 0 again and testing a billion new products, right? Build off of what's already working, try to tweak that, and just it's the lowest barrier to entry, right? It's the path of least resistance, because you already have something working. Just add to it, right? And you can easily double your profits just by doing these 3 things, okay? So I hope that was helpful for you guys. If you are not in my Facebook group, make sure you join. A link is in the description. And if you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.